Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. We always teach in first aid courses to keep calm and composed, but how do you do it? We asked a paramedic, how do they keep calm?
How do we stay calm as medical professionals? Often they use the analogy of a swan. We rehearse, we train, we regularly see these situations. So after a while, we get that automated reaction to the situation, the same as you learn to drive. It just becomes automatic. But that doesn't mean that under the surface we're not having hundreds and hundreds of thoughts and decisions that we have to process, a bit like the feet of the swan under the surface, making those decisions. So we're calm so that we can make good decisions, but there's a lot happening simultaneously.